Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to apply for online passport renewal for overseas Pakistanis. Go to the official website of DGIP as shown in the video. Log into your existing account or create your new account if you don't have any. After logging in, make sure you read terms and conditions and accept it. Click on the new application for the start of process or click on the tracking ID of the existing process. Here in the first step, application details, you have to upload your picture, pick nearest location in case of interview, passport validity and number of passport pages. In next step, personal information, fill all your personal details in the given boxes and make sure you do not make any mistake. In next two steps, give your permanent address and then delivery address for passport delivery. The final and most important step is supporting documents. Here you will have to upload CNIC front and back photo, previous passport photo, visa of the country you are currently living in, and fingerprints scan in 600 by. Review your application and proceed to the payment. Read this refund policy. Your payment won't be refunded in case of rejection, but in case of reapply in embassy, they won't ask for payment again. Make your payment via Visa or MasterCard debit or credit card. You will receive OTP from your bank. After filling it, your payment will be completed. After the payment, your application is completed and your passport will be delivered in next 40 days. Thank you for watching the video. Share it with your friends and avoiding office rush.